It's weird when you're anxious. You have like different fears than most people. Well, everyone's afraid like that they'll die and go to hell. I'm more afraid that I'll die, go to heaven, and find out I just don't vibe with God. How much would that? What if I get to heaven first thing? God's like, bro, do a shot. Bro, I'm doing shots, bro. I'm like, I don't drink. I'm sober. He's like, what are you, gay? Do a shot, bro. I'm like, what? Why are you homophobic? You didn't read my book? Bestseller for like 3,000 years. Find the time? Like this, let's get angel pussy. Are you also a misogynist? Bro, you gotta read the book. This shit is in the book. Also, no fucking shellfish. Alright, that was